All right, time now to get a check of your forecast. And Tim, this rain is not going to stop, but it's certainly helping us celebrate the first day of spring, isn't it?
Guys, spring is 2 minutes old. 2 minutes old. It just happened. The vernal equinox occurred as we were tossing to weather.
Very nice.
I mean, unbelievable. Did you feel it?
Felt it.
Felt it. All right. Cloudy skies out there this afternoon, guys. A lot of rain out there this morning. Now still some lighter showers out there, but not as widespread or as heavy. Temperatures still in the 40s in most spots, but to the farther south you head, it is significantly warmer through North Carolina. We have some numbers down in the upper 50s and low 60s. Brief wind chill out there with sometimes a gust up to 20, 25, and 30 miles per hour out of the northeast. You see radar there. I want to tell you that the Wakefield radar site is down, so it's not picking up on a lot of the rain that's currently falling here across a good chunk of Hampton Road, so keep that in mind. So how much rain have we picked up since midnight? Over 1.25 inches at Norfolk International, about 1.25 inches at Virginia Beach, and just over 1 inch at Wakefield, 3/4 of an inch in Newport News. We will add to those totals as we go through tonight as phase 2 develops. That'll bring us rain and eventually, with colder air influencing the system, over to some snow by tomorrow mid-morning. Here's how it looks on satellite and radar imagery. The bulk of the moisture now heading up into New England with wave number 1. Wave number 2 still in development. The parent low here, the upper level feature, still spinning. You can see that pivot in the atmosphere, a very large reaching rotation there, and that's going to give some of its energy to another developing low along the coastline there, a sister low, we'll call it, and that'll help bring in some more rain to some snow. Out ahead of this next system, we do have winter weather, winter storm watches, I should say, for the northern neck, upper peninsula, and then the eastern shore north of Melfa and Chincoteague. Those are the areas that are going to see the greatest accumulation out there from our next system tomorrow. Here's how it looks on Futurecast through the rest of the day today. Again, we got those showers out there, and then wave number 2 starts to develop here, bringing rain, and then as temperatures aloft cool and we get some heavier precipitation coming on in, we'll see that changeover develop from the northwest, pushing southeast along I-64. And into the 10:30 time frame, I think it's up through Newport News and Williamsburg area, and then the rest of the area will follow suit after that around lunchtime or so. And we'll stay with the snow shower activity kind of right through the afternoon and into the early evening before the whole storm pulls away. The winds will stay up and we will be cool. Let's time the changeover. 6 a.m. around the Richmond area, 10 a.m. through Williamsburg, and then the beach around noontime to 1 o'clock. Up to 1 inch, probably likely on the grassy and elevated surfaces. The snowfall rates will definitely determine if the roads get covered. If it comes down at a steady clip and overwhelms the warm ground, we'll see the roads get covered. If not, just the grassy surfaces. Slightly higher amounts as you go off towards the north and northwest. The winds will stay up, though. Look at some of these gusts through the rest of the afternoon, 30, 40 miles per hour. Tides will also run high, particularly tonight. Just after midnight, Wednesday morning, high tide, Sewell's Point, running around 5 feet, minor flooding there. And then again, the afternoon high tides on Wednesday and into Thursday morning. So 52 today. The heavy morning rain and becoming breezy out there. It already is pretty much. 37 with periods of rain tonight developing after midnight and still breezy. And there's your 7-day forecast. Unsettled next 24 to 36 hours with more rain developing tonight. That rain over to some wet snow tomorrow could bring some minor accumulations. An early flurry lingering Thursday over to sunshine. Pretty much the only day that's going to be precipitation free. Going to be my pick of the week on Friday. And then there's a possibility, although models are kind of flip-flopping back and forth about weekend, what happens there with another system.
All right.
Spring is here. Why isn't the weather
It should turn warm like that. At 12:15, it should have been warm.
You know? Why weren't they cooperating?
Doesn't work that way, though.
Thank you, Tim.
All right. Well.